boy Gamer Prostar, and welcome back to another episode of Surgeon Simulator 2013. And now we have this surgeon. I don't fucking know what the fuck is that. So let's start. Okay, the first thing that I need to do is to see if he's alive. No, if he's sleeping. Are you awake? No, he's not. Okay, you're fine, bitch. 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 Fuck you. Okay. The time now is this. Okay. So we are ready. Let's see what we got. In 5, 4, 3, 2, yeah! Fail. Come on. Gently. Yeah. Let's take all gently. Let's take that shit gently. Gently. Come on. Oh, okay. Gently. Let's put that gently. Come on. Gently. Oh yeah. Okay. So we got this shit to pick up and to put this two brother here. Okay, so let's begin the surgery. So first thing that I want to do is to try cut all over here. Oh, what? Is that what's cut? Oh, yeah. It's cut! Oh! Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah! Okay. Okay. Not to be so sure. Because after that everything going bad. Oh, come on, my English is so fucking bad. Here. Okay. This is yours. So we will do that. Here. Oh. Okay. Second thing that I need to do, it's very, very ugly. Oh shit, watch out! No. Okay. Everything good, we have to still be happy and cut. Oh fuck, my mouse. Come on, come on, come on, no. He's going to die and I know that. I know that shit. Oh come on, cut this shit. I don't wanna die today. In my world. Oh come on, come on, come on, come on! There! Maybe now? Oh! Yeah. Now it's good, but the blood level is fucking going to kill us. So let's fast take that. Oh fuck, no, fuck, no, wait. Let's fucking take that and... Oh, come on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Everything okay. Blood level. Good. Okay, it's yours too. No! Don't fall fucking down. Don't fall fucking down. No. Okay. So, yours too. Good. Okay. Now the another thing that I fucking don't understand is what I need to do is this shit. I think that I need to take that shit. Oh yeah. And just to break that. Oh, it's good. Good to know. Oh shit. Oh fine. I'm just cutting his fucking body. Oh fine! Come on! Fuck. Okay, okay. He's very bleeding right now. Look at the blood level over here. And I have to take that without kill myself. No, 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 no. Okay. Oh shit, I hate that shit. Come on. No, where, no, no, no. The blue level. Okay, we have to do it fast. No, he's going to die. No. This. We have to take this. Come on. Don't you die. No. Got this shit. No. 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 Surgery failed. And it was going so well. Shit. I can't believe that, really. I need me money. You need to give me money. About the surgery. Surgery. Fuck this. I don't care. Okay. So the next episode it will be Brian Transplant incomplete, and after that I will complete all of this shit. All of this. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe to my channel. And have fun. So now I need to end this episode, like I said. And have a good day or night, I don't care. Bye, bros. I'm going right now. Bye. Come on, how much time? Stop.